Hi guys, today I'm gonna to show you how to use the search LinkedIn feature from Derrick app. So first you have to go to extension and then Derrick app. Okay, if you don't have Derrick app installed yet, you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for LinkedIn for Derrick here and install. Then go back to your Google Sheets, go to extension and open the recap. In my side, I will open this one. Then the rec will be open here and you will have to use the search LinkedIn URL from full name and company name. So this feature will return the LinkedIn URL from name and company name. So let's try to find the good feature, find LinkedIn profile from name and company name, and then click on it. After that, we will see two fields, one for full name, one other for company name, optional. If you use this one, you will have better result than if you use only this one. So we will use both. And when I will click on the drop down, you will see full name and company name because it's the name of my two columns on my Google Sheet. If I add a third column like blah blah, I will see here blah blah. Okay, so you will select the column with your full name and then you will select your column with your company name. That's all. Then Derrick will calculate how much line you have in your document and how much credit you will use to do this action. If you are not sure, you can use the preview first 5 line. So we will do this. And with this click, you will have the first 5 results only to be sure you didn't do a bad query. So you just wait, and as you can see now, Derrick found some LinkedIn profile for Charles Perret, for Terry Lloyd, I have Amodov, and so on. So we checked for the 5 first, and as you can see, we have URL LinkedIn, title, description, and confidence. If it's 100, is that we are really sure. If it's 0, we are not sure at all. But most of all, you will see this 80. That's all. Now you know how to use this feature. It's quite easy. Bye.